Hello and welcome. Today I show you how you can remove the recommended and pinned apps from Windows 11. In Windows 11, you have the recommended section here or recent apps. To disable recommended apps or recent apps, you go to the settings, you open the settings, then go to personalization and then click on start, show recently added apps, show most used apps, and show recently opened items in start, jump lists, and file explorer. You can enable or disable these settings anytime in the personalization menu, and what they do, they turn off or turn on these features. Unfortunately, when you disable the recommended apps or recently used apps, this lower part of the start menu will not change the size, so the space is taken. It stays like that, but still it's better than having a lot of noise there. To remove apps from this menu, from the start menu here, the pinned ones, you can right click on them and just choose unpin from start menu, and that's all. Hopefully this is helpful, and let me know in the comments if you did this and what your preferred settings. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like and share, and I will see you next time. Bye.